Hey guys, welcome back to another video here on the channel. And today, I'm gonna show you guys how to multi-stream for free using Restream.io and the RTMP OBS plugin. And you can do this for free. You can stream to as many destinations as you want. Like, don't put too many on. Like, I would mostly say just do the minimum of 3. And the reason for that is because, like, if you do any more, your streams will lag. If you put more on the RTMP plugin, like you could do maybe 3, 4, or just I haven't tested out all like more than I think I did 5 one time on the RTMP, and it was and I think it lagged it pretty badly. But what I'm gonna do sometime is probably test it out again, and I'll give you guys, I'll tell you guys like what like how many makes your stream lag. But sometimes I like to do these tests where I'll just like start a stream, see if it works, like see if it lags. But the plugin is really good. If you use Restream and the plugin, you're already doing 3, so you're good. You probably could get away with doing 5 by, adding 2 more. Like you could do kick or whatever if you wanted to. But you can definitely get away with doing 5 or so, because you get 2 for free with Restream. So you could probably add 3, like 2 more to the RTMP plugin if you wanted to, and get away with doing 5 if you wanted to. So, obviously my destinations are Twitch and YouTube for the free plan, and Kick is on the RTMP plugin. So that's how I've been multi-streaming, doing 3 and getting away with it. And it's good doing it this way because Restream's in the cloud, and RTMP plugin, I think you can do a minimum of 3 before it starts lagging. Like, I think like 5 I done one time on the RTMP and it lagged really badly. So I'm gonna have to set up some test accounts sometime and test all this stuff out. So I'll definitely let you guys know how many you can do and get away with. So anyways, I'm gonna show you guys how to multi-stream for free. Alright, first off, I'm going to show you guys how this looks. So this is the plugin. Anyways, you can go to modify, and it will show you like, what your, like what stuff to put in. So I'm going to start, I had a new target. So what you would do is you would add a target here, and you would, like, for example, if you wanted to do Trovo, you could put Trovo in. This would be your URL for, what Trovo is. And you would copy and paste that key. And same with your stream key. You would do that here. And that's how you would start with that. And then obviously you leave all these other options alone, like get from OBS, same with scene. But what you would want to do for other options is sync start and stop with OBS. And that's how you would go about that. As you can see, I got the Kick chat here too. But I also have Caster Labs chat, which is right there. I'll show you what that looks like since we're right here. And it would just it's just loading up the chats. So you would also want Caster Labs. I'll also show you where to get that. Anyways, that's loading up. I'll show you guys. So it looks like this. Caster Labs chat. You do not currently have an active live stream on YouTube. Connect your chat. But anyways, it's another desktop bot. So you run it on the desktop. It's a good bot, especially if you want to see more than one stream. But I will say they are still working on it. They're still bettering it a bit. They're still sometimes the chat messages get missed, but they are working on finding a way to, make sure that's not gonna happen again. So I did have that happen the other day. Caster Labs is not perfect. So that's kind of like what I got going on here. I got YouTube connected, I got Twitch connected, and I also got Kick connected. Anyways, like I was saying about the Rtmp plugin, there's a lot you can do and that you can see. But what I'm going to do now is I'm going to show you guys where to get Caster Labs and all that. Also, this is Restream. I use this here. Obviously, you can log in via Restream, which is what I did here. I got Restream logged in. And like I said, you could get away with streaming to at least 3 other platforms, and that would be like, that would actually be 6 platforms. I already do 3, and I think I could get away with 5, technically, like if I added 2 more. But the reason I don't do that is just because I feel like, for me personally, like 3 is enough, and you don't need any extra than that, in my opinion. I also got the Kick chat here, so where I update the game titles and stuff, so I have this in OBS. I got the Twitch chat here for raiding, so I can raid out easily. I use Mix It Up and Caster Labs both. Obviously, that's just what my stuff looks like, my setup. So anyways, let me show you where to get, so yeah, like I said, you just log in via Restream this way. Log in, disconnect account, or connect it. You can do either way. And yeah. So let me show you guys where the website is. Okay, so to get this plugin, all you would need to do is go on GitHub at Sorayuki. And this is the link. So this is how I'm, like I said, this is how I'm multi-streaming. You can download this free, it's a free plugin. And then you go to this website, and then you translate this to English. It'll just tell you how to download it, all that. Translate it to English. The plugin was created to enable streaming simultaneous streaming on multiple sites. Download page is here, so this you would click on. It would show you which one's the download. Obviously, you would want the one that says Windows, so the 64-bit. You would want the installer, obviously. So you would click one of these, it would say install, and yeah, down here, assets. So you would go to one that says installer. It downloads simply to your OBS, and it does really well for what it does. So that's how you'll be able to see me on Kick, as well as using Restream for free, and that's how you would normally see it. But I showed you guys what the plugin looks like. So now I'm going to go over the Caster Labs, which is another free tool. And I'm using that over Restream chat, just because sometimes Restream chat, like I'll just say this, Restream chat don't have, Kick on there for me. So that's why I'm just using the Caster Labs chat. It's a desktop bot. It's free to use. But anyways, here's Caster Labs, and this is what I use for like my multi-stream chats. Comes with a lot of platforms: Twitch, Trovo, YouTube, DLive, TikTok, and Kick. And I believe the founder of it's also working on a Rumble, so don't be surprised if Rumble gets on there soon. But this is free to use. You can use this for all your chats. You can use the multi-stream plugin and Restream for free. That's kind of how I'm doing all my chats, how I'm streaming on multiple platforms. And it's a good thing to use, I feel like. And it's very useful. It's a good chat tool. Granted, I'm not saying they're perfect, but they do good for what they do. and it's free to use. So again, feel free to check it out if you get a chance. And anyways, guys, that is kind of my video on Restream, the OBS plugin, and also Caster Labs. So I'll be dropping these links in the description below so you guys can use it too. I'll be doing this for Sorayuki as well in the different plugins, so I will drop the different links in the description below so you can use it as well. Anyways, thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you for being here, guys, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Until the next video, Phoenix is out.